What's the meaning of comely? Comely. Comely.
Comely. Comely. Comely is an adjective used to describe someone or something that is pleasing to the eye, beautiful or attractive in appearance. It suggests a combination of physical attractiveness and gracefulness. It is often used to describe people, particularly women, but can also be used to describe animals or objects. A comely person or object is visually appealing and may evoke admiration or desire. The word can also imply a sense of appropriateness or correctness, suggesting that something is attractive in a suitable or fitting way.